Okay, very good. Now this is counting down. Now what I do with this brush is I simply just pat it dry on microfiber, either the workstation cloth or the second one you have. I can also do a mist with the plant mister of distilled water, just a little shot. I just want to see the information of that white material coming in and out. So here we're approaching 0, and we'll see what the ultrasonic has softened once I apply the spray with the brush. Okay, we're ready. Take it out, please, and we'll wobble the record. There we go, good wobble, and we'll put it on the workstation again. And then now what we'll do again is we'll apply 12 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 4 o'clock. And I always again use this because I don't want to get my fingerprints onto the label. So now I am moving this over the record. See this white material? Again, it's like a grease. Sometimes it's very, very white. Sometimes, see, it's evaporating, but it's still there. By the time I get here to the 5 o'clock position, I still have material here. So that means one more cycle. When you see no material here, that's the last cycle. So again, what I'm doing is I'm haphazardly going around and changing the charge of the record. Okay? Do this again, pad dry, put it on the other side, and we'll apply the spray. 12, 8, and 4. And then, see this? More on this side. So it would seem, perhaps, that this may have been cleaned by a vacuum system. Look, there's white material coming out. You can see that. This is what the ultrasonic softened in the prior cycle. So this is the indicator we have in here that tells us what's happening to the record. Other systems, you put a record in, it turns around, green light comes on, it means nothing. You need to know what is being softened in the prior cycle. So again, what we'll do is just wipe the excess water off, and you'll put it back in the machine, and we'll go for another cycle. And again, why do we need another cycle? Because we saw more white material coming out. So as the white material or that grease disappears and there's little left, that means it's the last cycle before finishing the record. So again, this is what you do for records that are 15 years or older, or records that you bought from, you know, some market. They're used records, and records that are new, or records that have full of water on them. Then you use the 5-minute, 4 2-minute, and 1 5-minute. And that's explained in the manual. So again, I'm just drying this a bit, and we're going to see what happens